Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I've got 6 coins from France dated between 1918 and 1925. They're 5, 10 and 25 Cmes coins, centimes probably. The first two are 5 centime coins. They are from early France, as I said. Let me just get my notes. Of course I opened it up without having my notes ready. Bad boy Stephen. You will see that there is a difference in the size of these coins, but one is from 1918 and the other one is from 1922. The 1922 one being the smaller one of the two. Both have exactly the same design on it. You have the RF for France, République Française. You also have a helmet at the top of the hold section. You have the denomination divided, the centre hole and the date on the reverse. So on the reverse here you have 5 on the left hand side and 7s on the right hand side. These whole coins were issued between 1917 and 1920, and again on the second coin, the 1922 coin, they were issued between 1920 and 1938. They come from the Third Republic of France. The mintage for the 1918 coin is 33,591,616. The mintage for the 1922 coin is 32,907,806. Excuse me. The next two coins is that way around and that way. These 10 centime coins, one is from 1920, which is this one, and the other one's from 1925. These coins were issued between 1917 and 1938. They have the RF either side of the hole on the side with a helmet at the top of the hole on the obverse side. On the reverse they have the value of 10 cents, and also across the back it gives you the French of the Libertaire, Equalitaire and Frontier. Right, on the 1922 centime coin the mintage is 38,845,555, and that word I was stumbling over, it was fraternity. The 1925 coin has a mintage of 46,265,731. These last two coins are 25 cents, and again, let's get both of those in. You have the RF for the République Française, and you've also got the helmet at the top and the laurel scroll around the outside. There is also a torch mark on these coins. One of them is from 1923, the other is from 1927. On the reverse, of course, you have the value, and you have the French saying about the country, Libertaire, Fraternity, and what's Liberty, Fraternity and Equality, Equalitaire. The 1923 coin, sorry, the coins were minted between 1917 and 1937. The 1923 coin has a mintage of 19,718,498, and the 1927 coin has a mintage of 13,464,651. Those are the 6 coins in this particular review. If you like, whoops, the other way. It's very, I enjoyed this, collecting these older coins from foreign nations, particularly European ones. They do have a difference, they are slightly different. They are, the historic value to myself as somebody who loves history, I find them fantastic. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and also if you've not yet subscribed and you're a returner, could you please think about doing so. Also, if this is your first time here and you've enjoyed the video and you want to subscribe, please do so. I'd love to have you, all of you, along for us in my coin and banknotes, militaria and collectibles. The subscribing doesn't cost you anything, so please think about doing so. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. Finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy in the next week. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you for watching, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye bye. Ta-da.